Biscuits. How is your day starting out? I hope you have a wonderful day planned and you will roll with the punches as the day comes and see what it brings you. Just tossing on my cleaning apron. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna wipe down my countertops. I'm gonna do some dishes. It's never ending. Oh my goodness. I need to dry some dishes. And I need to dry my, do you see it over there? Yes, the Ninja air fryer thing. Do I think the Ninja air fryer is the end all be all? Yeah, maybe. We shall see. Want to come clean along with me? Oh, hey, Biscuits. If you want to see, because I keep getting emailed this question, full uncut copies of my cleaning videos, they're on my Patreon. Oh, right there. Boop. Biscuits, isn't there just something about clean surfaces? You all know that I frequently have surfaces covered in everything. It's one of my flaws in life is that my surfaces in my house always seem to be covered with things. And I think part of that is that my house is a very lived-in home. There are crafts and toys and baking projects and cooking projects and snacks throughout the day. And so I've really tried to change my mindset recently. Instead of looking at cluttered spaces going, oh, you know what? They're covered with things that we are using and loving and having fun with, and that is part of the homemaker process. So that is really something that I've been working on, is shifting my mindset from a Pinterest perfect home to a home that is a real home full of love and play and entertainment and crazy shenanigans, because that's what a family home is. So Biscuits, I will see you in the next video. I'm going to see you as always on my 2 Instagram pages. I actually made an Instagram page for this channel as well. See you over there.